I'm pretty sure if California had a flavor, it would taste like a beachy, salty breeze and juicy tri-tip tacos. Good thing Chuck, my new virtual expert on all things beef, has the answers. What recipes do you suggest for tri-tip steak?
See if any of these recipes make your mouth water. I'll read them one by one. Say the number of the recipe you'd like to try, or say more to hear more recipes. 1. Grilled espresso steaks. 2. Mushu steak and apple wraps. 3. Cali Caribbean steak street tacos.
You can access Chuck on chuckknowsbeef.com, through Amazon Alexa, or Google Home Assistant. The only thing Chuck can't do is join us for dinner. Cheers.
Cheers.
For more delicious recipe inspiration, visit calbeef.org. And to discover fun, surprising stories behind the story of food, listen to the Feed Me podcast on the iHeart app or wherever you get your podcasts.